Slowest RS, bring you another video. I don't know if you remember, but I mentioned I was going to get some carbon fiber pieces. So before anyone gives me shit, you know, I bought these off eBay. I'm going to do a small review on them, see if maybe you guys want to purchase these as well. Right off the bat, you guys, the quality of these pieces are really not that bad. I mean, I know it's like that imitational kind of like carbon fiber, but they're just like little plates on them that you put over them. So here's a couple things I got. So cigarette lighter, of course, and I believe the traction controls on this side and the shifter boots on this side. The vents for the AC, it's peelable, just so you guys know, it's a protective film on it. And then for Lace Fit sent me these LEDs. They said they're supposedly really good. We're gonna try these on as well. I'm not sure which ones go to which, but I'll pull them up, see if maybe I can see where they go to. But they sent me 2 of them, which is pretty nice of them, you know. I mean, we're not gonna be able to see the brightness on them because you can't turn on the car. And then I also got these small ones for the air vents. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install these, and I bought a couple of alcohol wipes to wipe it down a little. So I'll see you in the car right now so we can install this. I am inside the RS. First one we're gonna install is the outer trim right here. Let me go ahead and wipe that down real quick. Do a quick little wipe down so it has something to stick onto. And then also the other pieces for this right here, the climate control. This is where the other piece will go on to. You know, just run it with an alcohol wipe, make sure it's all degreased or whatever things that can prevent it from sticking. I think it should be fine about now. Alright, so let me go ahead and get the pieces. Here's piece number 1. It should fit on right about like that. Oh dude, it's pretty much perfect figment on this thing. Check that out, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty good, but dude, that looks dope. Really matches the carbon fiber knob. And I got these off eBay, just so you guys know, you know. So I'm surprised they came this high of a quality and this good of a figment. Buttons are still pretty good and pushable. Everything looks perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and peel this 3M tape real quick. I mean, the 3M, they probably lacked in product for 3M, but we'll see how it works. If it doesn't work that well, I could always use my own. You know, the reason I cheap out on interior parts like this is so we can spend the real money on the block and the engine itself. You know, I'm more of a, I'll buy high quality performance parts. When it comes to visual stuff like this, you know, I'm not gonna go ahead and spend 200 bucks for a freaking interior panel. I also bought the ones for the doors. They're not here yet, but I mean, I guess I could do these first and then later on do the other panels and then do a full review of how they all look, feel, you know, etc. All right, so here you go. It's all nice and peeled, wipe down, dry, and just go ahead and close this bad boy up. See if it falls into place. Yep, there it goes, and just slightly press down. Dude, that is so sick. Yo, this came out way better than I expected, to be honest, especially off eBay. Let me go ahead and peel the other ones. All right, hold on. So this is the next one I'm gonna do. This is the top piece here. All right, it's all peeled. Now let's see how we can put this thing on. We'll start from the top. Yeah, they just need to apply some pressure on it. I think it should be good. I don't think I have to cut anything. But these corner pieces, they kind of want to lift up a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave pressure on for like about a minute or two. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so after about a couple minutes of holding on to it, dude, look how clean that looks. The figment's pretty good, dude. Like it's not popping out. And look at the gap right there. Like, dude, it's literally super good quality. Matches very well with the shifter, like I said. Looks very dope. Now let me just do the vents. Wipe the vents down. I got these vents in, and I believe it's these as well. And we'll see how that looks. I also got the door handles, the door frame part as well. I got these in carbon fiber, these in carbon fiber. Like I said, I got all this from eBay. I'll post links of it if you guys are interested in it. I'll post links in the description so you guys can order it as well. I'm pretty sure it'll fit the ST just as it does with the RS. Yeah, so far, dude, it looks dope. So I gotta just wipe these down here. Pretty much clean. Let me go ahead and get this one set up and peel it installed. Just apply a little bit of pressure. So how it fits, you guys be the judge of the way it looks. Look at that. How's that look? You know, that looks like legit, if you ask me. You know, that's fucking dope. Let me go ahead and do the other side. You know what? I'll finish the other side, then I'll show you the end result. So stand by. All right, guys, I'm done here. As you can see, it also came with these bottom pieces here. Get rid of this glare. I don't know if you can see that, but this is also carbon fiber. This side's carbon fiber. It just came out so dope. A lot better than I expected. So do I recommend eBay carbon fiber pieces? Yes, 10 out of 10. Figment is literally dead on, spot on. The only thing I'd ever worry about is probably the 3M. Who knows how long it'll last, but for now it's lasting, it's holding. So it's pretty good. Let's check this side. Check this side. Looks dope, dude. Looks very good. Look at that. It's like it was meant to be in the car. So guys, if you guys have any questions, message me below, comment, let me know what you guys think. I'll be getting more carbon fiber pieces. If you guys want me to see, if you guys want to see me install those, let me know. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.